Can you solve this? What expression will be in the top box? So the question is asking us what expression will be here since this is the top box. Now it says in this pyramid, you add two adjacent, take note of that. You add two adjacent blocks to find the value, to find the value of the block above. Now this is where many people make mistakes. They add this and this to get the middle the value of the value in the middle box. Let's try that. If you add a minus 3b plus 3a, this gives 2 this gives 4a. Yes, this gives 4a minus 3b, so you'll be getting 4a minus 3b here, and this is the foundation. Whatever you build on this foundation, if you should have a wrong foundation, a faulty foundation, whatever you build on it will be faulty and you will get a wrong answer. So if you solve it this way, then you are wrong. You are wrong. That means if you continue adding, by the time you get to the top, you will be getting a wrong answer, because the instruction says you add two adjacent. It says you add two adjacent blocks. It doesn't say you add two opposite blocks or whatever. It says you add two adjacent blocks. So now let's clean this up and then solve it the proper way. What does it mean for us to add two adjacent blocks? Now let's take a look at the adjacent blocks. We have to look for this, and to add two adjacent blocks, we add two adjacent blocks to get the value of the block above. So that means if we add, we have to add this block and this block to get the value of this. We have to add the value of this one and this one to get the value of this. So now let's look for the value of the lowest block that is empty. So now since we are to add this block and this one to get the value of this, so that means we have to subtract 7a plus b. We have to do 7a plus b minus 3a for us to get the value of this, because we are adding two adjacent blocks to get the value of the block above. So now that means 7a minus 3a, and this gives 4a plus b, since this does not have b. So that means this block will be 4a plus b. So now let's confirm that we did the right thing. It says you add two adjacent blocks to get the above block. So now let's add 4a plus 3a gives 7a, then plus b. So that means this is correct. So the next thing is to look for the value of this block. Don't forget we are adding the two adjacent blocks. So that means we are to add a minus 3b, then plus 4a plus b, and this gives a plus 4a then minus 3b plus b. This gives 5a, then negative b plus b becomes negative 2b. So that means the value of this block is 5a then minus 2b. So now let's check again to confirm that we did the right thing. Let's take this and this, let's subtract and see if we will get 4a plus b. 5a minus a gives 4a, then negative 2b, then negative 3b does not give b. That means we have made a mistake. Negative 3b and negative 2b does not give plus b. So we have made a mistake. So now let's see where is the mistake, because okay, we are subtracting, so we didn't make a mistake. We did 5a minus a, and then we got 4a. So we have to do negative 2b minus negative 3b. So that gives negative 2b minus times minus becomes positive, and then 3b. So this will be negative 3b. 3b minus 2b, that becomes b. So that means we got this. So that means we did the right thing. So our answer is correct. I almost thought we made a mistake, but no, we didn't make any mistake. So now let's move to the top. The last one, which is what we are supposed to look for. we are to add these two. That means we are to say 5a minus 2b, then plus 7a plus b. So now let's put them together. We have 5a plus 7a, then minus 2b plus b. 5a plus 7a, that becomes that gives 12a. So that means we have 12a, then we have negative b plus b. That becomes negative b. So the answer is B, 12a minus b. But let's check again to confirm that we did the right thing. Let's subtract. This time around, let's subtract this and this. Let's do 12a minus 7a. That gives 5a. Then negative b minus b. That gives negative 2b. So that means our answer is correct. So you have to be sure that you lay the right foundation, because if you get it wrong from this first stage, then you will get every other thing wrong. So that will be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.